Go, Tyler.
This is the scarecrow I made, and the materials to make the scarecrow are 1 straw hat, 1 white cloth, some dried cone leaves, some foam, 1 bandana, 1 shirt, 1 pull-up pan, some used paper lumps inside, some cotton inside, some construction paper, some straw, some string, some rubber bands, 1 cardboard box, some rocks and foam inside, and 1 stick. And the steps to make my scarecrow are: glue the white cloth together in half like a pillowcase, then stuff it with cotton. Then glue some foam to make the face, and to make the hair, glue some dried corn leaves on top of the head. Then, to make the body, glue the pull pan and the shirt together by the shoulder part. Then, stuff it with used paper lumps. And to make the hands and feet, tie 4 bunches of straw and 4 rubber bands. Then stick them into the sleeves and pants to make the hands and feet. Then tie a string around it on the outside. And to connect the head and body, stick one end of the wrapping paper roll into the head and the other end into the body. Then glue them together by the neck. And to make the patches, use some construction paper and draw the patches on them and cut them out, then glue them on the pants and shirt. And to make the chair, put some foam and rocks into the cardboard box and stick a stick into the back of the box. Then tie the back of the scarecrow to the stick and glue the bottom of the scarecrow to the chair. Then tie a bandana around the scarecrow's neck and put a straw hat onto its head and stuff some straw into one of its pockets. And this is how I made my scarecrow.
Okay.